update.
This here, you're from Ohio. Sigma.
Oh, frick no. Oh, frick no. Oh my god. Is that a bee's nest? Yo, they actually revamped this place. Oh, they made the gloves much better. Look at the gloves. I can see the trail now. So, that's cool. We got a, whatever this plant is. And St. Patrick's Day. It's Patrick. So, it's St. Patrick's Day update, and there's the pond. What is this? What does this do? That does nothing but, I don't see anything different in here. Just, I wonder what that, let's check out treehouse. Whoa! Porridge, not onion. Yo, there's a fish tank. Oh, a new kit! And there's this new hat. Mobu's semblance. There's also some stuff up there. Let's get it over with. Ooh, it's nice. They decorated. That'd be freaking kit. Oh, dojo. Chinese New Year kit. It's not even Chinese New Year. This stuff is like. We got this. Cookie. And what Flushy wears. I don't like Flushy. Okay, we got this cookie thing. We got this thing. Ah! Hey, can I give you? Ew, my God. Ew! Mickey Mouse! Yeah, new hat. Oh wow, what a good surprise. There's a root barrel. Another root barrel. Okay, let's go check out monkey blocks. Pretty office day. Pretty office. Yeah, that's hard. Well, let's go to monkey blocks and see what they have got. Oh, it is free. Platformer. They do have this. I'm gonna put everything down. We got this. Nothing else is generated. Oh, here's some stuff. We got this. Good. Any new terrain? No, there's no new terrain. Actually, a new tree. New trees. I don't know where everything else is. Oh. Okay, we got that. Oh. What is this? That does nothing. Rock climbing system. Okay, what's back here? Let's try out this drum right here. Happy Chinese New Year! Oh, it's like a speed run. Okay. Now you got these new trees. There's a new parkour here. I don't know what it gives you. It's just like a random parkour. Let me see if I can afford any of this crap. Can't afford that. 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 Can't afford. I can't afford nothing.